This is a Speedy 35 Steven Sprouse collection. Oh, I always wanted the Never Full in this style. What? It's from 1996. Look at this lizard, Kelly. Gorgeous. This is an Hermes bag. They only made 10 of these in the entire world. What to do? What do we think? They've got so many beautiful bags, can you see? Imagine this with a large, like really fluffy winter coat. Okay, I'm mesmerized. Well, we love what we love, don't we? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know what happened. Summer has finally arrived in London in September. Like, it is the third day of like over 30 degrees Celsius and we still have like 3 more days to go through, to get through. I don't like heat. I'm looking forward to autumn, but hey ho, here we are. Today, guys, I want to go to a couple places I've never been to before, and I wanted to do that last video, but somehow I got distracted, I think. So we're gonna do that today. There's the handbag clinic I've never been to before, but they seem to have amazing stuff. So we're just gonna walk around, see what we find, hopefully find some amazing new shops and treasures. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Look at this beautiful scenery behind me. Let's go. And just a quick little OOTD. This is a Zara dress. Because to be honest, guys, I put all of my summer dresses already into storage. Because you guys know we're moving currently, right? And I didn't want to have too much stuff with me, obviously. So yeah, had to get this for the heat wave that we're going through. But I just want my coat. I just want my winter coat. And look at that, guys. The city of London. We are at the Duke of York Square and you got Lampu right here. I would say let's go in, see what they've got. See what they've got in the window display. Look at this, guys. Absolutely my colors. So purple, pinks, every shade of pink. Oh wow. Look at this Fendi Peekaboo, stunning. Wow, 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 wow. Beautiful Chanel. Book Tote. We got a lot to look at. Guys, currently in Lampu, look at this. I've never seen this capucine before with the red python handle. Let's try it on. Look at this. I really like it. Honestly, guys, I've never seen this bag before. Not in LV, not in any pre-loved shop. Look at these treasures. A multicolor LV. Oh, loving it. And look at the colors. They got so many pink and red bags. Wow. You know, I still want a small Gabrielle. Loving the tweed. Yeah, that's an option. What about this summer beauty? The colors are just gorgeous. Good old vintage LV. This is a good alternative to the keyboard. Look at these treasures. This is a huge Kelly. I think this is bigger even than 35. But this beautiful burgundy color. I'm still in love with Bottega bags. Yes, they do have some issues at the moment, but I just love the Jodie style. This is a beautiful, like very vibrant turquoise. Speaking of vibrant Bottegas, look at this. This color is super bright. I think it doesn't come across properly on camera. It's super bright. It's like acid green. Look at this. So much choice. Loving it. This is my highlight. This is a Speedy 35 Steven Sprouse collection. Oh, I always wanted the Never Full in this style. This is 1,600. Such a good price. And it looks in amazing condition. Like none of the color is rubbing off. It's gorgeous. Okay, guys, this is my highlight. This is 5,000 something. This is the only silk bag Chanel ever made. What? It's from 1996 and it's still got obviously the gold-plated hardware. You can see the little marking there. Okay, you guys know I don't own a single red bag yet. This could be it. Guys, look at this. So pretty. So gorgeous. Wow. Okay, I'm in love. They got the little heart back here as well. They got really amazing pieces. What do we think? Look at this lizard, Kelly. Gorgeous. So many beauties. This is an Hermes bag. They only made 10 of these in the entire world. It is so heavy. It's 24 karat gold. Wow. I would have never known this is an Hermes bag. It's so substantial. It's entirely new. They only made 10 of this. And there you got the little logo. Wow, this, guys, you don't find anywhere else. Guys, look at this one. This one caught my eye as well. It's a beautiful beige clear and black Chanel flap from 2014, and this one is only £4,000. So, you know, if we consider the current pricing of Chanel, this is incredible. Yeah, I think this one got me, guys. I don't know what it is. I love the colors. They have it downstairs as well, and look at this. This is, I guessed 35k. It's 28,000. Some regular leather Birkins on Fashion File are 28,000. This is a full-on shiny croc for 28,000. Look at this Fendi, do-it-yourself Fendi. You got all the strings, you can design it yourself. Pretty cool. Okay, and here we got a Louis Vuitton bag, but this is it. This weather is absolutely a nightmare. It's not for me. I'm an autumn girl. Don't like summer. Next up, guys, is the handbag clinic. I've only recently heard of this place, and yeah, can't wait to see what they've got. I don't know why I never came across this. Look at this beautiful vintage Chanel. And look at this beautiful vintage Chanel flap and a Kelly. And it's so nice and air conditioned in here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this ostrich Birkin. And a Gabrielle. Okay, I don't know if they have an upstairs. We find out. Okay, guys, let's have a quick look at what they've got on display. Do you have more stuff downstairs?
Just on this floor. We do
just
have
on
like
this.
other bags.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is a special piece as well, huh? Beautiful jumbo size. Guys. MS. Oh, wow. Look at this. A vintage Chanel. This is the real gold-plated hardware, guys, in comparison to the metal that they use nowadays. And obviously Chanel is not using any exotics anymore, so this is a little rarity right here. £3,500 for an exotic crocodile Chanel, guys? Can you believe it? There we have a Saint Laurent, Fendi for all the Fendi lovers out there, Gucci, Chanel, ooh, pink Bottega, cassette bag. Yeah, and obviously love these so much. Still gonna get. I still want the Galet color with the python handle. That would be a dream. Ooh, and look at this Barbie Chanel bag. And yeah, there we got the little black combo. And you can buy and sell pre-loved bags here, but also you can bring in your bags for repair and cleaning. They still have the bag, so she's just getting it, and then we can have a look at it and try it on, guys. Hello, here we are. They have it. They have the pink Chanel Cambon tote, and this is not the tiny size, because usually I've seen this bag very often actually in this tiny size, but this is the actual tote, guys. I don't know why this was in when I was like 14, 15, 16, I don't know, around that age. Obviously didn't have designer bag money at the time, but this has been like a wish ever since, to be honest. Oh, it's so hot, ignore my hair. Look at this. I honestly think these bags will come back. They will come back in style. Okay guys, let's get a close-up look of this baby. Like I said, you can sell your stuff here, you can buy stuff here, you can get your bags repaired, cleaned. Everything is £2,000. I think it's got this little indentation there, but I mean it's at the back of the bag. Look how much space you've got. Wow, what do we think? They've got so many beautiful bags, can you see? This will come back in style, guys. I am 100% sure they're gonna reissue these bags at some point. Such a Barbie bag as well, no? Okay, I'm in love. Guys, and for anyone who's interested, look at this. This is the card. You can find the handbag clinic, and just, can you see how good that looks with my ring? And should we have a look at the ostrich Birkin, guys? Wow. Can you see how beautifully patina the leather is? And you guys know I love my boy bag. I don't care that everybody says, oh, the boy bag is out. This is such a beautiful piece. Look at the stitching. Here we are with a very beautiful understated Chanel boy bag. And I would say it's like a suede. And it looks very, you know, you're not gonna spot it from afar, but if you look closely, it is stunning. Look at this the hardware. This is antique brass gold hardware, my favorite type of hardware. It looks like new, no? Doesn't have any wear and tear. Guys, and the ostrich Birkin, £17,000. This is a Birkin 35. Yeah, that's a nice color, right? Look at this. It's a really beautiful turquoise. And you know me, I've been eyeing the Celine Triomphe for a while, and they got this beautiful black one here. You know, very timeless. Can never go wrong with black and gold. We've seen the tan version, the natural leather version recently. Which one do you prefer? This shiny black or the natural leather? Oh guys, super lovely people in there. Chelsea, she was the nicest. And guys, look at these beautiful London streets. So I'm right here on King's Road. There's actually a second designer exchange here. I know we mainly go to the Knightsbridge one. That's my favorite shop in the world, of course. But they got a second smaller boutique right here on King's Road for anyone who's wondering. Guys, look at this. Gold Bottega. Oh my god, I miss mine. Can't wait to unpack all my bags again once we finally moved into the new house. They got, well, this shop is actually known for second-hand clothing. You got all the designers here for clothes, but they got a couple bags as well. Like this beautiful Louis Vuitton. Oh, look at this. Absolutely my colors. Wow, we find a lot of multicolor Louis Vuitton bags today. So much choice, guys. No way. Oh, okay, we have to look at that one, try it on. This is Stingray. Oh, okay, I'm in love. It shines actually a lot more in reality. There we got another vintage Chanel. Ooh, a little backpack. And wow, can we see the color of this? Oh, so gorgeous. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let's have a look, guys. They got more bags than they had in the past. I barely ever drop in here because the other store has just more bags. But wow, look at these. Lots of Louis Vuitton luggage as well. And wow, shoe heaven. And guys, all the keyboards in the world. You can choose. Wow, I have never seen this one before. This is a velvet Christian Dior. It feels beautiful. Look at this. These are rare pieces, guys. And again, this is a huge Lady Dior. 2.9. I don't even know what size that is. Must be a maxi. Another Lady Dior, and a little wicker bag, guys. Look at this. Oh, look at these very rare beauties.
Okay, I'm gonna do one more time, but that's fine.
Look at these colors. Absolutely gorgeous. I really want to try on the little Stingray one. And look at this Fendi. I've never seen this shape before. They got lots and lots and lots of stuff here. I always wanted to have a jumbo XXL. You know that this is an XXL because it's got 1, 2, 3 diamond quills to the sides. The smaller version I think ends about here. Oh, should we try it on? Is it not absolutely gorgeous? But it's heavy, guys. Oh, wow. Oh, but this is good quality, you know, when you can still feel that it's amazing quality. Oh, imagine this with a large, like really fluffy winter coat, black winter coat. And then you just got a vintage beauty hanging there over your shoulder. And guys, I think it's 6,900, which is a good price. And honestly, the chain is so substantial. It's unreal. It's so heavy. It's the real gold plating, obviously, same as this. But it's heavy, it feels luxurious. And guys, £2,900 for a Stingray Chanel. This is the cutest bag ever. Again, with this one, it doesn't bother me that it has ruthenium hardware. It's so beautiful, it goes so well with the iridescent Stingray. Wow, look at this. Okay, I'm mesmerized. Cute or what? This is the cutest little bag. I didn't know I needed a mini boy in my life, but I think I do. Well, we love what we love, don't we? And guys, look at this. Want to get ready for winter? This little Gucci sweater, only £500. Hello, look at this. You really need to keep your eyes peeled to find all the little treasures. Oh guys, it was so nice and air conditioned in there. Now I'm back out in the heat, yay. Okay, I think that was it. I think that's all I wanted to show you today. Let's end this vlog with a little iced matcha latte at Soho House. And can I show you this, guys? these are the chairs actually we're gonna get for the living room. They're really nice. I don't know if you can see it. They're super nice color, gold elements, super cool. Okay guys, so that was it for today. However, I still want to tell you, I saw this video of Gucci getting robbed recently, and I mean, we know that it's getting worse and worse and worse everywhere in the world, and it does really, I mean, you guys know I've been mugged twice in the last 10 years that I've been living here in London. One time they stole a Chanel bag from me, the other time I held onto my Bottega bag. If you haven't seen that video yet, go and check it out. But guys, what's happening, you know? Can we still feel safe walking around with our designer bags? Even going shopping is getting scary, right? If people are just running, and I hear that from anywhere in the world, the US, Germany, Australia, like they're robbing luxury stores everywhere. And after I've seen this video, I was like the situation is getting really, really bad. Side note, beautiful London. But you know, what do you think? Like, are you still comfortable, feeling comfortable wearing your designer bags out and about? Do you still use them as an everyday bag? Do you feel comfortable going shopping? You know, do you get a separate bag to hide your bag once you buy one so nobody knows what you just bought? Guys, it's getting, yeah, I don't know. The world is changing drastically. Okay, so nonetheless, we still have our disease, right? Our luxury disease, and we will hold on to that. I don't think we can cure that. Okay guys, so ooh, self-portrait. I really love self-portrait dresses. Yeah, that was it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, and guys, I see you again very, very soon. Bye!